Good day everyone, welcome to Paramount Shiplik Farm here in the Philippines. For today, I'm visiting my ongoing construction. But as you notice, we don't have workers today because some of my workers did not report because they have important things to do. So I'm just here to visit because I was not able to visit here for the last few days. So I'm going to check and let's try to see. We are now preparing the wood planks here to be used in our bird's house. They have already planed these things, this wood, and as you notice, they prepare here, and also this one. We have to clean this and have to put some groups so that the birds could hold on while they are making their nest. So for today's activities, I'm just visiting here. So hopefully in a few weeks from now we could finish this construction and we can open this for the birds to go inside this bird's house. This is the front side of the building. As you notice, there's a hole up there. That's the entrance for the birds, and while the lower is the entrance for us to go inside the bird's house. And we can see already that some of the birds enter this building. So they are flying inside the building, but we have to install first the wood planks and put the ceiling at the top of it so that it's very dark. Today's time check is 12 in the midday. Some of the bird enter in the building. Today's schedule for harvest.